House construction cost per square feet. 175 square feet material cost and labor cost. Cement. Cements are used in foundation, basement, column, beam, roof, plastering, brickwork, other work, etc. For 175 square feet house, 70 bags of cement is required. The current market rate of a cement bag is rupees 370. When you multiply 70 into rupees 370, you get rupees 25,900. Steel. Steels are used in foundation, tie beam, roof, lintel, column, beam, sunshade, other steel works, etc. For 175 square feet house, 812.5 kg of steel is required. The current market rate of steel is rupees 72 per kilogram. When you multiply 812.5 into rupees 70, you get rupees 56,875. Bricks. Bricks are used in overall brickworks like basement, wall, staircase, parapet, etc. For 175 square feet house, 3,750 numbers of bricks are required. The current market rate of a brick is from rupees 11 to 12. When you multiply 3,750 into rupees 11, you get rupees 41,250. M sand and P sand. These sands are used in all construction works. First, M sand. For 175 square feet house, 3.5 units of M sand is required. The current market rate of M sand is rupees 5,000 per unit. When you multiply 3.5 into rupees 5,000, you get rupees 17,500. P sand. For 175 square feet house, 1.25 units of P sand is required. The current market rate of P sand is rupees 5,500 per unit. When you multiply 1.25 into rupees 5,500, you get rupees 6,875. Mm and 40 mm aggregate. These aggregates are used in all types of concrete work. 20 mm aggregate. For 175 square feet house, 2.5 units of 20 mm aggregate is required. The current market rate of 20 mm aggregate is rupees 4,000 per unit. When you multiply 2.5 into rupees 4,000, you get rupees 10,000. 40 mm aggregate. For 175 square feet house, 0.625 units of 40 mm aggregate is required. The current market rate of 40 mm aggregate is rupees 3,800 per unit. When you multiply 0.625 into rupees 3,800, you get rupees 2,375. Tiles. Tiles are used in flooring, parking, bathroom, kitchen. Floor tiles. Floor tiles are required for 175 square feet. The current market rate of a floor tile is rupees 55. When you multiply 175 into rupees 55, you get rupees 9,625. Wall tiles. Wall tiles are required for 87 square feet. The current market rate of a wall tile is rupees 45. You can get wall tile at the rate of rupees 35 also. When you multiply 87 square feet into rupees 45, you get rupees 3915. Granite, rupees 1500, which is a approximate cost. Electrical and plumbing cost. Rupees 34,375. This is only a basic price. Price may vary based on design and brand. Woodwork. All doors, windows, frames, ventilator. For that, the amount is rupees 21,875. Painting work cost, which includes inner and outer putty, primer, emulsion, whitewash in overall building. For that, the material cost is rupees 17,500. For 175 square feet house, other transport and miscellaneous cost would be rupees 6,000. Cement, rupees 25,900. Steel, rupees 56,875. Bricks, rupees 41,250. M sand and P sand, rupees 24,375. Aggregate, rupees 12,375. Blackstone, rupees 7,500. Electrical and plumbing, rupees 34,375. Tiles and granite, rupees 15,040. Doors and windows, rupees 43,750. Paint, rupees 17,500. When you add all these costs, you get the total material cost for 175 square feet houses, rupees 2,49,565, which is equal to 2.5 lakhs. Labor cost. Labor cost includes all construction civil work, painting work, plumbing, electrical, woodwork, civil engineer consulting charge. For all these works, the amount is rupees 1.5 lakhs. Total cost for 175 square feet is equal to material cost plus labor cost. When you add, you get rupees 7,50,000.